Have you ever wanted to make money online, but you don't want to show your face? Don't want to chase friends and family? Or spend hours glued to your laptop? This might be the most exciting video you'll watch this year. Today, I'll show you how people are using AI to create simple, faceless content and turning it into affiliate income in as little as 7 minutes a day. And if you want to go deeper, I'll share a link at the end to the exact step-by-step system. Right now, there's a big shift happening. The most clickable content online, short videos, viral posts, even simple reviews, is often made by creators you never see. Why? Because AI tools now do the heavy lifting. They can write posts and scripts, generate images and videos without a camera, and even build ready-to-go landing pages that sell. This means you can run a full marketing machine, completely behind the scenes. I've seen people from all walks of life use this. A former IT worker who struggled for years online. A single mom who uses AI posts to earn extra income without missing family time. Even complete beginners who didn't know what to promote until they plugged into a proven affiliate system. The common thread? They follow a repeatable framework that takes the guesswork out of what to post, when to post, and how to make it convert. Here's the simple version if you want to try it yourself. Step 1. Pick a niche you care about. Step 2. Find an affiliate offer on sites like ClickBank or Digistore24. Step 3. Use AI prompts to create short, engaging posts or videos. Step 4. Post consistently where your audience is. Step 5. Track your results and double down on what works. That's the foundation. But the real magic happens when you use a proven AI prompting formula that's already tested to grab attention and drive clicks. That's exactly what the AI Marketers Club teaches. It's a 3-hour step-by-step course from John Crestani, one of the top affiliate marketers in the world. Inside, you'll learn his FIR AI prompting framework, plus get done-for-you affiliate landing pages, a quick start guide so you know what to do on day 1, a 7-minute daily checklist to create monetized posts fast, an affiliate offer that can pay up to $821 per sale, and access to a private community so you're never alone. It's designed for beginners, works even if you failed before, and you can start for just $27. If you want to skip trial and error and follow a proven system, click the link in the description to join the AI Marketers Club. Even if you only apply part of it, you could be creating scroll-stopping content in a fraction of the time, without showing your face or burning out. The opportunity with AI is huge, but it won't stay quiet forever. Whether you follow the steps I shared today or plug into the full system in the link below, start now.